Welcome to a fresh take on adventure motorcycling. Introducing the Honda CRF1100L Type 22, a spectacular custom build by the UK-based brothers Bujar and Gazmend Muharremi, who operate under the name Auto Fabrica. These two have made waves in the custom bike scene, known for their distinct, stylish approach. But with the Type 22, they've taken things to a whole new level by transforming the Honda Africa Twin into a full-fledged, old-school rally machine with a unique retro flair. The journey starts with the familiar Honda CRF1100L Africa Twin, a modern adventure motorcycle known for its versatility and off-road prowess. However, Auto Fabrica's approach was to completely strip away the stock bodywork, replacing it with a fresh, handcrafted design that looks like it belongs in a Dakar rally archive from decades ago. Gone is the standard plastic and aggressive styling. Instead, you get elegant aluminum panels and vintage-inspired shapes. A standout feature is the custom fuel tank cover, composed of two separate aluminum sections that conceal a specially designed inner fuel cell. This fuel system cleverly retains the original pump and fuel level sensor, combining modern reliability with classic design elements. The tank's brushed aluminum finish adds a raw industrial charm that perfectly contrasts the bike's red highlights. Moving back from the tank, the saddle grabs your attention instantly. Upholstered in rich red Alcantara, it offers both style and comfort. Flanking the seat are bespoke side covers, also made of aluminum, which enhance the bike's clean and purposeful look. The rear sports a sharp aluminum fender with an integrated LED taillight and turn signals, blending modern functionality with a minimalistic vintage appearance. The front end of the Type 22 is equally impressive. The designers chose a high-mounted carbon fiber fender, which is not just lightweight but adds to the bike's rally-inspired stance. Above it sits a uniquely 3D printed headlight housing, home to dual LED headlights and blinkers that carry the retro vibe forward, but with cutting-edge lighting technology. The combination of old-school style and modern tech is one of the defining characteristics of this build. The digital speedometer and TFT display from the original bike were carefully repositioned. The speedometer nestles right behind the headlight nacelle, while the TFT screen now sits atop the fuel tank, providing the rider with all necessary information without compromising the aesthetic. Under the skin, Auto Fabrica didn't just focus on looks. The bike's performance and handling were significantly upgraded with top-tier Öhlins suspension components installed both front and rear, elevating the riding experience with improved control and comfort. The braking system received an upgrade too, replacing the stock calipers with high-performance Brembo units, ensuring confident stopping power under any condition. Interestingly, the engine remains untouched internally, maintaining Honda's renowned reliability and power delivery. However, the exhaust system was swapped out for a bespoke titanium 2-into-1 setup, culminating in a high-mounted cylindrical muffler that sounds as good as it looks, while also reducing weight and improving exhaust flow. Visually, the entire bike is finished in a clean white base with red graphics, perfectly matching the saddle and creating a cohesive and striking color pattern that stands out in any crowd. The Type 22 perfectly balances simplicity and sophistication, making it not just a machine, but a work of art. In summary, the Honda CRF1100L Type 22 by Auto Fabrica is a brilliant example of how modern motorcycles can be reimagined with vintage inspiration while integrating the latest technology and craftsmanship. It's a celebration of rally heritage, style, and engineering ingenuity. For anyone who loves the Africa Twin but craves something truly unique and rally-prepped, the Type 22 is the perfect dream machine.